Okay, so what I have here is my 2019 FLSB Sport Glide, and bought it brand new during Christmas of 2019, and only with 3 miles on it, but I only had one complaint, which was the exhaust. So I ended up buying some Cobra slip-on mufflers, the Cobra 909 twins is what they call it. So you got a picture of it right there. Really easy to put on. You don't even have to take the bag off. You got to reuse some of the stock hardware, but I'm going to do a few videos here showing the sound of it. Idling, obviously you hear it ticking away. I just got off the bike, but so this is it already warmed up. Go ahead and click that on there, let it prime. A little bit of rev here. Yeah, I like the finish of it. Great product, really good price. I'm really impressed with it. Not too loud. Probably doesn't do it justice on this this phone here I'm recording on, but just you hear it really when you get on it, and driving around town just normal, it's noticeably louder, but not overly loud. All right, stay tuned for the next one with me taking away.